Dear students, today we are going to begin with the 5th chapter in our textbook, Dictionary Skills. Do you remember the days when I used to give you new words to write on the board every day? Last year in 4th standard, one child was given the duty to find a new word from the dictionary and write it on the board, isn't it? Those days, you used to take help from the dictionary to find a new word and write it in the blackboard. Now, in this chapter, you are going to learn how to use the dictionary in the correct manner. Let us start. Hi, my name is Dictionary. Here, the dictionary is talking to you and he says that he is the master of all the words and meanings that you can find in English language. Almost all the words which we are using in English language are included in a dictionary with their meaning. It is a word wizard. It is very helpful in order to find the meaning of something new. And if you make the dictionary your friend, you will learn to use it and you can also become a word wizard. A dictionary is like a treasure box. A box full of words inside it. The dictionary is basically a treasure box in which the words are full of the treasure, the new words. Dictionary is basically a book. When you open the treasure, you start to know the new words which exist in this world. The first thing which is important about a dictionary is it is arranged in a proper manner. If you know ABCD in the correct order, it will be very easy for you to find out any word in the dictionary very easily. Otherwise, you will be lost. You will be just flipping the pages, you won't get the word at all. Okay? So the first rule of using dictionary is that you should know the correct order of alphabet A, B, C, D till the last alphabet Z. Okay? And you will never see that the words are thrown anywhere. It is always arranged in orderly manner. Now, take out page number 29 in your textbook. You can see there is one exercise given on second paragraph. There are some words given which you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means first the letter A will come, then B, then C, D, E, F and so on. So you have to arrange those words in the correct order and write it below that. Okay. So let me help you in doing this. The words which are given there are monkey, alligator, ponder, baboon, quiet, radish and cry. The first word in the series will be alligator. Then the next is baboon. Third is cry. Then monkey. After that ponder. Then quiet. And then last will be radish. Okay, so you are going to arrange the words according to the alphabets. Okay, first A, then B, then C, then D. Now a situation comes where all the words, there may be 4 to 5 words, they all begin with same letter. If you come to page number 29, there are 3 shapes given there in the form of books. In those boxes you can see some words given, isn't it? And the thing is, all the words begin with the same letter. like in the first box all the words are beginning with B, in the second box all the words are beginning with D, and in the third box also all the words are beginning with P. So what you are going to do is you are going to switch over to the next letter. For example, come to the first box. We have bangle, boat, beeline, buckle. First, all the letters are starting from B, so we cannot compare it anyway. You just go to the second letter of all the words. It is A, bangle A, boat O, beeline E, buckle U. So now you are going to see the smallest letter or the first letter. First letter is obviously A, isn't it? So the first word which will be coming in the dictionary is bangle. Second will be E. A, B, C, D, E. Next letter is E, right? So the second word will be beeline. Then third letter will be O. So it will be boat. Third word will be boat, and the last word will be buckle. So you can try doing this exercise. You can try to solve all the boxes given there. Okay.